Let's make okra soup using my grandma's recipe. Okay, I remember back then my grandma always take us to the little garden in our backyard in the village to pluck some okra to use and make as many okra soup as we want. Okay, so I decided to use my grandma recipes, though it's one of the things I inherited. Was it inherited? Yeah, I inherited. I got it from her. Yeah. So today I decided to recreate it with just small money. Yeah, everything I'm using to make this okra was just 2.5. Yeah, everything was just 2.5. I will list it out. If you want me to, I will list it out for you. So okra soup is the easiest soup and the fastest soup you could ever make. Yeah, and trust me, while making this, it didn't take me up to, let me say 15 minutes, and my okra soup was already set, guys. Yeah, this is the easiest way. This is the easier way. And back then, my grandma always wants to pound it. Yeah, no matter the quantity that we are using, she will ask us to pound it. Of course, she has so much grandchildren, so we will always be dragging for who we won't pound it. Then I know it's to pound her. She said, no, people should leave my namesake, she rest. I don't want her to do that. I miss her so much. Anyway, she's in a better place though. I know she's watching me from heaven. Okay, I use Isam periwinkle. Yeah, I added little oil because I didn't really want to add so much oil. I just needed a touch of red oil in my okra soup. Yeah, guys, so my okra soup is almost done, and I'm about adding my veggie. I use uziza leaf for this recipe. Yeah, I use uziza leaf for this recipe. And guys, you know that you don't have to allow your okra soup to be overcooked. Yeah, you don't need to allow it to be overcooked. So of course, I'm sure you know me by now. I like my fufu. Yes, I would have showed you guys how my grandma would always use her both hands to wrap her fufu back then. It used to be so fun. But yeah, I will do that on my next video or so. So, and guys, my okra soup is done, is ready. And see now, look at is giving wife material, right? I know. I know you want to have a taste of it. Oh, let me give you. Open your mouth. Longer throat. Thanks for watching, guys.